Alright guys, well what I did was I bought Velcro. You get from Lowe's. It holds about 10 pounds, whatever. And then you just put this on top of there on the mount, and then you just cut around it. Then you end up with these circles. So you just put one side on here, then the other side you put on the wall, and then it will connect. Then you just put the Velcro on the wall. I'll put it right there. And then I put the Velcro side right there. Just connect it like that. It's pretty sturdy. And you get the camera. It's not as like crazy sturdy, but I mean you need to put some force. It's not gonna fall. It's not gonna fall, so that's perfect. I'm giving it some force. It won't pull out, so it's pretty sturdy. It's better than that nail crap. And there he goes.